Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to simply teach you how you can cut image from a background. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're going to do is simply go ahead and click on this icon, which is going to be quick selection tool. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and run your cursor over the object that you want to remove the background. Finally, once you have done that, if you want to cut it from the background, all you're going to do is right click and simply click on layer via cut. And now, as you can see, this image is cut from the background and can be used on any other photos. So it was as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below if you have any confusion. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.